Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 in the 757 area in Virginia. My job today is to help you if you are dreaming to become a mobile mechanic. I want to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, going from beer money. I want to take you to champagne money. There is no competition that you ever will have because you are unique and you are awesome. We're going to go through a few steps in a very short period of time that took me a lot of time. I made many mistakes and nobody was going to teach me anything, but I'm going to teach you and save you a lot of time and money. Let's begin. Number one, keep your current job. Do not quit your job to be a mobile mechanic. Keep your current job so you can finance your business without getting any loans. That will save you a lot of money and lower your overhead. Number two, think of a unique business name that is very catchy and different from everybody else. Number three, go to your state corporation website. To go there to form yourself a LLC, which will separate you and your business, because if you decide to stay a sole proprietor, you will put the burden on you and your business, and you are as one. Also go to your IRS site, the original one. When you do that, you are going to get your EIN, which is your electronic identification number. To know it is a legitimate website, it will be the IRS and they will not charge you. After you finish filling out the pertinent information of being an LLC, print that paper because you will not get another copy of it. And you put those two together when you do your LLC at the state corporation website. In the state of Virginia, it is $100. You do not have to get a lawyer to do that for you. Save yourself a couple $100. Do it yourself. Number four, your business name, the Mobile Mechanic blah blah blah, will have the LLC behind it. And what that does, it stops people from asking you, are you the owner of the business? And they would take you much more serious. And you want people to be serious. If they do not take you serious, they're going to pay you beer money versus paying you champagne money. This is what you are actually worth. Number five, go to the city. Present your LLC, your EIN information you got from the IRS, and fill out the pertinent paperwork that you need to fill out with the city to get your business license, and you are now official. Number six, from that point forward, go to vistaprint.com to get your business cards. Get your stamps for your auto repair work orders since you're starting out. You get these from Walmart. They're about $6 to $7 for a book of 50. This is to start out. The great thing about it, they have your mechanic lien right there. You fill out the pertinent information. You keep the white copy, you give the customer the yellow copy, and then you have a secondary copy for yourself. When you go to Vistaprint to get a stamp, and you stamp it right here, you'll have your business information stamped. This is just for starting out. I will be doing other videos that are immediate and more advanced to get your business higher and faster. You will also go to Vistaprint to create yourself a website, which I will get into soon. Number seven, you will go to grasshopper.com to get a business phone number. Do not use your personal number. When you have a Grasshopper phone number, you will get a professional ringing, you'll get professional background music like you do any kind of business, and they can select whatever customer service you or whomever you wish it to go to your own personal number. And when you make phone calls, you'll be able to make phone calls through your personal number and receive texts. You do not want to give out your personal number because they will call you all day, all night like you are on a personal level. This is a business. This is not personal. And you can also get numerous numbers if you wanted to. You can get an 800 number if you wanted to. You can even hire a secretary through Grasshopper to give you, quotes or whatever you wish to do. I just keep it simple. Got one business number. It's about $38, and when I call, it's the business number. And also, you can program it when you're on vacation. You can also program it to shut off. I have it shut off at 5 p.m. There will be no more phone calls, and that way I can have my own privacy. Number 8, you will go to logoware.com. logoware.com, and you can make professional shirts. Your first impression is your lasting impression. You want people to take you serious, period. Then you will go to Walmart and you will get Dickie pants, which is work pants that are very good quality. Most people use Dickie pants. You will also get steel toe shoes because you don't want to drop absolutely anything on your foot. Also, that's again, you will go there and you will get your work orders. All big Walmarts have this right here, just to start yourself out. Number 10, you will go to Harbor Freight. You will get a 105 tool set, wrench set. It has to have the 3/8, 1/4, and 1/2 drive, ratchets, and sockets. That is a basic minimum. If you can afford a little bit more, do it. You also will have to get a 2-ton jack and jack stands. Most vehicles, that'll be sufficient. If you need to raise the vehicle a little higher, you just get yourself some wood, put it between the jack and the frame of the vehicle. You can get a lot higher. We're talking about saving money. Also, get yourself some pliers, vice grips, pliers. They sell them as sets. It's very inexpensive, but it will save you a lot of time, and you want to have the tools to do the job and get you in and get you out. You also will need a serpentine belt tool. Most of these serpentine belts require a tool no matter what. This is a basic serpentine belt tool. You'll put your socket up here or your crowfoot, or there's another attachment that you can do, and you can get the serpentine belts off. Right tool gets the job done right the first time. You also will need a diagnostic machine. This is the diagnostic machine that I was first using. Let me move this out of your way. This version is launch. Here we go. You can see a little better. And the reason why I like this launch is only a couple $100. But there's a big difference in just reading codes. You can put this directly to the port to do a diagnostic. Or the reason why I like this machine, because I could do it Bluetooth. Another reason why I like this machine, it also doesn't just do codes. It also physically is bi-directional, which I could turn things on and I could turn things off. If I want to know if the AC compressor clutch is working, I can cut it on and off here instead of probing and doing all this. If I want to know an AC fan or if engine fan is working, I can cut it on and off. If I want to turn on and off a fuel pump, I could turn it on and off with this. Saves you a lot of time. Also, it gives me live data. I can see the short term, long term, which I'll get into another video about. I can see all the PIDs or all the sensors in real time, what they're doing, the mass airflow sensor, and etc., etc. It's only a couple $100. I recommend going to eBay and get one brand new in a in a store that sells in the United States, that is in the United States. The updates are fantastic and they are great. You will also get a 3/8 ratchet, which is power ratchet. reverses, you just turn this and it goes in the other direction. It's as simple as a battery. You recharge it. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of cranking. It doesn't have too much torque, so I use it for tune-ups and to spin things and lock things in, because it doesn't have too much torque, but it's a lot faster than ratcheting with your own arm. Number 11, payment. Very important. Cash App. Change your Cash App name to your business name and have a picture of your vehicle as the background. Most people have Cash App. Also accept cash if that's what they have, but most people do not have cash. Also go to Square and you can get a Square reader. It is Bluetooth. You can have it directly hooked to your phone Bluetooth and accept payments. Apple Pay, tapping, actually putting it in, chip readers, whatever the case may be. That's why you definitely need to have your business account up and running, because when you go to Square, they need all this information, and this only costs $50. A very small investment. They take some fees out, but you adjust your labor rates to adjust to the fees that they take out. But 9 times out of 10, someone's going to have a credit card or a debit card. No one hardly carries cash, including myself. Number 12, go to your bank and set up your bank account as a LLC. They're going to tell you the paperwork that you need and anything you're lacking thereof. You can go to a website, type in the name of the paperwork, print it out, fill it out and print it out, and take it to your bank and open up your bank account, because Square and everything, all the payments you're accepting has to go there. Do not have it in your personal account, have it in your business account. Number 14, vehicle signs. The website is called Signs, SIGNAZON.com. SIGNAZON.com. That is to put signs or magnets on the side of your vehicle, and that's just to start out. You just go to your door of your vehicle, measure it, and put in the measurements according to how big your door is for your sign. The bigger, the better. The bigger the letters, the more color, the better it is. But keep it completely simple. Don't put too much stuff and people will get lost. Don't do it. But you want from a distance, up close, in all directions. You're just driving, you're advertising all the time. Number 15, labor charges. We use autolaborexpert.com. autolaborexpert.com. You're going to wonder, well, how much do I charge everybody? You do not just make it up on your head. You actually want to know what to charge them. You find out the going labor rates in your area by just calling the store and saying, can you change my alternator, year, make, model, and what is your hourly fee? Whatever they say, you put it into the system of the labor rates. One, it keeps up with your customers. No matter what, you always have customer notes. Number 2, it is very professional. And number 3, you will be able to give them quotes. You can do it on your tablet. You can do it on your laptop. You can have it on your phone. You'll be able to give labor rates at any given time. Number 16, go to a website. You need a website. You need to create a website. Vistaprint.com. Vistaprint.com. You can go to our website, the mobilemechanic757.com, and you can see that we created one. We did it ourselves. We were calling around. People wanted $3,000. You go to Vistaprint. You can copy and paste, as long as you're not copywriting, and you could even take from some of our stuff and just change it around. It doesn't matter to us. We just want you to succeed. We want you to be awesome. We want you to go from beer money to champagne money. And we're going to have part 2 with immediate to advance will be part 3 of how we do our business, to skip all the mistakes that no one's going to tell you. There is no competition whatsoever. Just be your complete self, and there is no competition, and don't compare yourself to somebody else. And this is how you, and so many small steps, create your own mobile mechanic business on the legitimate up and up. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button, and we will have more videos to come.